The next dimension to restoration, to divine restoration, is restoration of your identity. When God restores you to himself. When God restores you to yourself. Look at Peter. Read the Gospel of John, chapter 21. If you read verse 15 to 17. Bible says Peter, the man that walked with Jesus, the man that was everywhere with Jesus, Satan entered into Peter. And the Bible says he denied the Lord. He denied Jesus. Not one time, not twice, 3 times. Peter denied Jesus 3 times. And after that, shame was on him. He lost confidence. The Bible says he returned to fishing. Peter was a fisherman. But you know what? Jesus did not rebuke Peter. He restored him. He restored him. Read that scripture. John chapter 21. For the sake of time, I won't read it, but read that scripture. Jesus, the takeaway is that Jesus did not rebuke Peter. Rather, he restored him. He says, lovest thou me? 3 deniers equals 3 affirmations. Jesus restored